Mastering the TOEFL Writing. Harness the power of resources. Hey everyone, welcome back to our series on TOEFL preparation. Today, we'll be diving deep into the writing section and specifically how to utilize resources and study materials effectively. As always, mastering this section is not just about practicing but knowing how to practice. Let's get started. Before diving into the actual resources, it's important to understand why they matter. The TOEFL writing section can be challenging, but with the right materials, you can. 1. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. Every student has different areas they excel in and areas they struggle with. Resources can help pinpoint these. 2. Get familiar with the test format. Knowing what to expect can significantly reduce test anxiety. 3. Practice under realistic conditions. Simulating the test environment can help you prepare mentally and physically. When we talk about resources, we're not just referring to textbooks. Here are the different types. 1. Sample essays. These provide a benchmark for what is expected in terms of content, structure, and language use. 2. TOEFL writing prompts. Practice with real or simulated TOEFL writing prompts. They'll give you a clear idea of the question's nature. 3. Feedback tools. Tools that help evaluate your essays. This could be software, peer reviews, or teacher assessments. 4. Guides and strategies. These offer tips, structures, and techniques to approach different essay types. Just having the materials is not enough. It's how you use them that counts. Here are some tips. 1. Consistent practice. Aim for regularity. It's better to practice a little every day than cramming once a week. 2. Seek feedback. Don't just write. Get someone to review your work. This can help you notice errors or areas of improvement you might overlook. 3. Mimic test conditions. Set a timer, find a quiet spot, and write. Simulating the actual test environment will help you on the main day. 4. Review sample essays critically. Don't just read them. Analyze them. What makes a particular essay good? What vocabulary did they use? How did they structure their arguments? And that wraps up our session on effectively using resources for TOEFL writing preparation. Remember, it's not just about quantity but the quality of your practice. Use the resources wisely, understand their value, and you'll be well on your way to mastering the TOEFL writing section. Until next time, keep practicing and stay positive.